Look at that beauty. I like the style of that wing. That's pretty cool. Dude, this front end is so mean.
I know.
So this is just sitting here in the gift shop. It is next to the shirts, so I think it might be on sale for like $24.99. Here's my debit card, 25 bucks. Sold. I really want to take this home, you guys. All right, my dad thinks he owns the place. He's running the gate, apparently. He didn't ask anyone, so. Oh, how I've missed you, orange car. I have stories to tell you. Oh, do I have stories to tell you? Oh, looking good. All right, Dad, don't stall it with the new clutch. Don't stall it. There it goes. Stall number one. There's stall number two. If you are a returning subscriber, you've seen this area. Well, you know that we have kind of a storage compartment in our race garage. We don't know if a lift will go here. We might want to leave it like this. This could be a new office. Okay, we've cut power. Dad insists on doing all the work. Go, Dad. Sorry, I know. Dad always does the work and I'm the assistant still after all these years. Well, this held up well. I think we needed a heavier visqueen. What a mess. Oh my gosh. A little more than we expected. That's okay though, this is fun, Dad. We'll have the memories. I'll put this on YouTube and everyone can laugh at us on how, and the people will comment on how we could have completed this procedure a lot easier, and people will give their 2 cents on, you should have started doing this first, or taking the planks out first, or you should have started this, so we'll get all the criticism for it too.
What you should have done is hire some of your subscribers.
You know what? I should have put a call and said, hey, you know what? Why don't you guys come out and help out? That would have been fun. Well, that looks, what's that?
A lot of telephone wires up here.
Well, maybe we can put a call center in here somehow. Like the Tracking Ponies call center. It'll be mainly a complaint line. I don't think anyone will. Dad just wants to do everything. Always wear eye protection. I've got one eye out. One eye still working, but I got bad dust in one eye, so that it's just, you gotta wear eye protection, just a reminder. All right.
And new shoes for the cars.
Yeah.
Thanks, Manny.
Thank you, Manny. Cool. Wow, look at that.
Whoa.
Just in time.
Well,
all right. Our new Porsche lightweight racing wheels are here. Oz, Leggera. Oh yeah, the tires are shot. They're racing slicks.
Yeah, you said they had some racing.
Yeah. He had racing slicks on these. They're shot though. The tires are shot. Oh yeah. The tires are shot, but he had full racing slicks on these. Wow.
Yeah, you can afford it. What do they look like? I think they're in good shape.
Well, yeah, they're beat up, but they're good enough for racing. They're a little beat up, but they're good enough for racing.
Hey, I need you to do what
Right now, let me finish doing this.
No.
All right, we just took these off. We bought these used Oz Racing Leggera lightweight wheels for the Porsche 981 Cayman GT4. This is going to help us with unsprung weight on the track. It's really going to reduce that unsprung weight. The car's going to feel a lot lighter, even than the OEM Porsche wheels. Now, when we bought these, the person we bought them off of said that they were 10-inch wide in the back, and we thought, okay, that's good. Still a great price. He was basically giving these away. They do need to be powder coated, but I just measured the rears. He wasn't sure what they were because they were coming from a different warehouse, but apparently they're 11s in the back. So we got some really great wheels. We got 11-inch wide in the rear, so we can go in the future a lot wider. If we ever want to do a wide body, we can do a wide body. We don't have to, but we've got 11-inch wheels in the back, which means we can go to a wider tire and improve the traction on the Porsche 981 Cayman GT4. This queen came down, and this place is just filthy now. And you can tell, although we've taken down walls and done construction before, we rushed this, and we admittedly rushed this because we just wanted to get it done. We have so much going on right now. You can see the dirt that's on our poor GT4. Ruby Red R looks like it's been in the desert off-roading, and we're just, you know, we're gonna take everything out of our race garage and clean it off, and we're gonna literally hose off the walls and the ceiling of this place. We are going to gut this place. My dad wants to leave this part of the ceiling, believe it or not, and I want to take it out. We don't need it, and he thinks we may have future car parts, but we do have a little storage unit up there above the bathroom, and I figured we could consolidate and keep our parts up there. Just want to get rid of this. It's a nuisance, it's an eyesore. And in order to get this place looking somewhat clean and presentable, we checked out some new units that were cleaner, that didn't have swamp coolers hanging from the ceiling. They're really expensive, even though some places around here are $1 a foot, which is amazing. A place came up for 8,000 square feet, and we don't need 8,000 square feet, and we don't want to pay $8,000 a month for a rental facility. This is super cheap, and I mean this rental facility is super cheap. It's a great deal. And it's super cheap because we have things like this. You come in here and you've got to basically do your own work to make it however you want it to look like. So that is the downside. Even though we're renting this place for dirt cheap, we've got to do our own work, but it's going to be worth it. We're going to make this place as clean as possible. Hopefully be here for a few.
This staff and management